Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome. Today I have a quick project share for you for the Joy of Blue collaboration. This is a collaboration that is hosted by Sarah, who is crafting and relaxing, and it is to encourage you to play with her favorite color, which is blue. And you can do anything with color blue, any type of craft that you want, just focus on blue. So I am like right in the middle of craft show season. We're like in the thick of it. And so I'm still making some inventory for the craft shows and then some orders, custom orders that I'm filling. So I kind of have a mix of decor items here for you that I made using the color blue. So blue makes a great winter color, especially like a light blue. I always tend to gravitate towards blues and grays when I'm making a winter set. And so this one I'd have like in all blues, different patterns of blue. We have kind of a herringbone type pattern, like a light blue and cream herringbone pattern. And then we have snowflakes and then kind of a solid blue for the winter block down here. So this just says Hello Winter, and it is reversible. And you have seen one of these in this collaboration before, because I think I had showed a Hanukkah Christmas set in a preview. Let me spell it right. So this is the reverse side. It is Hanukkah, so it's Hanukkah and winter. And I know this side is mostly gray, but I usually use the gray polka dot and the blue and white chevron. And so it kind of depends on, sometimes it's the reverse where it's more blue than gray. So this one just happened to come out more gray. So it is Hanukkah, like a Hanukkah decor piece that you can put out at Hanukkah, turn it around, and you can let it sit out for the rest of winter as well. Let me get this out of the way really quickly. And then I have a custom block set that I made. Is a custom order for a last name or like a family sign. And this is actually a wedding gift because it's somebody who's getting married here this month. And so their decor, I usually ask like what colors they use in their decorating, or, you know, I ask the gift giver if they know. And in this case, it was blues and grays. And so or navy and gray. And so in order to make the navy pop out on the dark wood, I have a gray and white kind of flourishy pattern that is behind it. And that just kind of helps it stands out and makes the navy pop. And I don't know how well with my lighting, like the navy comes through. I will put some pictures in at the end, but then, so I did their name and then established 2021 because that's the year that they are getting married. So this was another blue project that I completed. And then the last one I have is black and blue, but it does have some blue in it. This is a faux stacked book set. So this is just kind of a trendy decor piece right now. And instead of using actual books, you use wood to make it look like it's the spine part of the book. So I like to do these instead of books because I have a hard time altering a book. Like, I'm a book lover. I love physical books. I love the feel, the smell. And so I do use like book stacks in my decorating, but normally I will turn them around and I just use the color of the spine and the white pages. I am not willing to, like I said, alter my books. So if I'm going to put anything on it, I tend to use wood blocks. And so on this one, it has a police theme, kind of a back the blue theme. So I did 2 black blocks on the outer portion and then a blue block in the middle, and it just says protect, honor, serve. And then I have a ribbon going around with a messy bow and then kind of a simple bow on top of that. So it's just kind of a police support kind of decor piece. So those are the projects I have for you today. And there are other participants who are also crafting with the color blue that will be listed in the description box below. And everybody does something different. So it's kind of fun to see how everybody incorporates blue into whatever projects they're working on. But I thank you guys so very much for your time today and hope you all have a very crafty day.